Hey everyone, welcome to Last Fantasy Gaming. This will be the last of the July 2025 Patreon. We'll be starting August next week. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. We'll be looking at some Warhammer proxies, D&D, and some figures for your 3D printing needs. I actually canceled all my Patreon at My Mini Factory. I will buy like stuff one I really want, but hopefully that will last for a while. Hopefully, I'll have the key to get anything. 'Cause I have no space to put anything in right now. But yeah, so we got like Nance working on the Thiefling as well. Got Tanuku figures. You can get all six of them if you truly want to. Let's see here. Let's see. We're just gonna look at what's coming up. Someone's making Saber. Uh, this is gonna be the September winner. Fearin. I got like, so many different Fearin figures. It's not even funny. Pink did another Gar. I'm not really a big VTuber guy. And we got Egghead, WIP, August Tracker for this as well. I might get this if her boobs are huge. But we got also Dead Man, STL Project, Devilman's Out. Right click that. Gotta clear all that out too for August coming up video. Jublix. Looks like we're getting Miku Goblin and Boozette. Got a lot of different type of Boozette as well. Sin 3D is getting these two. And you see some of them that they're making right now. But hopefully we'll get some cool stuff. 3D art guy. This will be your Tomb King. If you're interested in getting a Tomb King, that's for next on August. We got Waifu Studio. I'm not gonna keep around. Hibbers Studio as well. Looks good. What's coming next? This one as well. Problem is just that finding this. I can print as much as I want. Problem is storage for a lot of these things as well. I'm only gonna get the ones I really want, but you guys can do whatever you want because you're the one gonna pay and print it yourselves. You got Vanvictus miniatures as well. I gotta print some of these guys. I only have like several more bottles of resin left. Cal 3D Studio. We got the Crow one. We got Cammy with toast in her mouth. Magpie 3D. I don't know why you want to print this Demon Queen from Jobless yeah, anime. I thought she was kind of ridiculously weird. We got Arch Villain Games. I'm gonna miss a lot. I am gonna be missing this a lot, but you know what? It's fine. A lot of stuff that they make is I have no idea how I'm gonna put in my campaign because a lot of times it's just cyberpunk style and fantasy ones. You also think about space. You can actually get this for your Age of Sigmar for your lizard folks thing as well, using a freaking dinosaur as a damn catapult. That's freaking hilarious. But yeah, you got hey. And also, you can get a lot of these things like in a big bundle file for like really cheap by someone too, as well. You got a lot of options out here. Station 4, more Skavens. These are more like cybernetic version of the Skavens. What else we got? Doesn't click. Neko figurines. We got these next as well. Got Rue. If you want to get your elves for your Age of Sigmar, or I believe Old World Wood Elves, I think this is what you're gonna have to get for it. Hopefully, my kid will be interested in 3D printing and stuff, and I can bring back the thing for it. So we got Zarama for I already printed a giant statue of this thing. Not this one in particular, but the one I printed had like a lot more bigger boobs. Freya's Fantasy, a lot of stuff. Rescale. I know I'm going to be getting this one, the Blue Dragon. Ashley wants me to use the remaining resin to print a lot of all the ancient dragons for it. So this is probably going to be getting it's like $10, but it should be good though. Ingar figurines, it's pretty cool too. I don't know what anime is this from. Rupee renders. Hmm. Let's see here. August characters. I have no idea who a lot of these things are. But we'll see for it. I already got this one. I was thinking about printing this one. The Doom, female Doom girl. Yeah, the next one, we'll see that on your next month as well. If you're into Cyberpunk, Hero Infinite's pretty good for it. This is for next month as well. If you're into Elden Ring and so forth. You have a lot of stuff. Alice Render and Beach. We also got Eve. I still haven't played this game yet. I should. Now I have a little bit more time in my hand before school starts. But yeah, orc stuff. You guys are talking about the bus, the Fortnite bus. This guy is the one that made it. So if you guys want some orc stuff, that'll be the place you want to go to. An STL miniature for July. This one we saw before. Yeah, this will be one the thing I actually gonna miss because they do pretty good terrains. But there's a lot. We got Silval now, some Salt. But you also get a lot of this stuff on Etsy. Just for a single file, you got Mining Factory. You could actually go to their Patreon and get like, 10, 25% if you want to buy it in bulk. I highly recommend you do that if you're interested in doing it as well. So announcement. I own the game. It's just I never played it. I heard it's like really good in many ways. So no, uh, for that as well. I just went back all the way to the top, didn't I? Well, anyhow, I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check our picture and Discord. Thank you guys very much. Hope you guys have a great day, guys. Bye.